So welcome guys, today I'm starting a new series called Guess the Output, where I'll make some Python programs, hopefully simple ones, and you guys can try to guess the output. Also, I'll try to include wide range of Python functions, some of which I hope will be new to you so that you will learn something new. So for today's problem, I have chosen the divmod function. I personally feel that the divmod function is somewhat a lesser known and lesser used function in the Python community. So for those of you who feel that they know divmod very well, can go ahead and pause the video while I wait for a few seconds and they can try to guess the output. Okay, so for those of you who were not able to guess the output or who just don't know what is divmod, I'll try to tell you what divmod is. So what divmod does is it takes two inputs, as you can see here, A and B, and it returns a tuple which contains uh, A divided by B and A modulo B, which is basically quotient and remainder. Now you guys try to guess the output. Okay, now I hope all of you were able to guess the output. Let's just try to run this program. And as you can see, 1 and 4 is the answer, which was what we predicted, right? So 10 divided by 6, which is basically 10 divided by floor of 10 divided by 6, which is 1, and 10 modulo 6 is 4. So I hope you guys were able to learn something new today. And for more such content, please subscribe to my channel and like the videos so that I can continue making more such content. Thank you.